1981, we've got in 25 to 29-year-olds, roughly 61% of people owned their own home. Today, it's about half that. Where are the crypto holders? They're in these groups that are not investing in homes, not able to invest in homes. Right, so when you go for a mortgage, the one asset that the banks will completely ignore for you is the crypto component. The solution. So we believe that you can broaden asset recognition. Right? The arbitrary rules at banks might be outdated, and perhaps we can help update that. So here you can see the price of homes going up in Australian dollars, and here you can see the price in Bitcoin. You can see that the amount of Bitcoin required to purchase a home is falling. So here we are to announce Australia's first and only cashless mortgage. What we're unlocking for you is use Bitcoin as your home deposit instead of cash. Right? That's what we're going to market with.